I'm Ron Adams from the fabric shop in Ruston, Louisiana. Have you ever had this experience? You sew through a piece of fabric and it looks pretty good on top. But when you flip it over, you've got all of this tangled mess. I want to tell you now, it's not your fault because no one's ever explained to you what's happening yet. So you wonder what in the world happened. A lot of you will think something happened down here because it happened under the bottom. Wrong. It actually happened right here in your upper tensions. Now let me explain something today about tensions. I'm going to use these two threads here to represent your sewing threads. The white will represent the thread coming out of your bobbin. The gold represents the thread coming out of your needle. We'll use this board right here as our fabric. On each stitch, the bobbin thread and the needle thread jerk against each other, and that's what sets the stitch. The tension from each one should be equal. So what's happening? I want to show you the actual tensions in this sewing machine. Right in here is your upper tensions, and that's what puts the right pressure on your thread. But notice the presser foot. When the presser foot is raised, then your upper tensions are loose and my thread can easily slide in between there. However, if my presser foot is down, these tension discs close, and now if I thread the machine, the thread is simply running on the top and there is no tension on my upper thread. Now when we go back to our tug of war, there is tension on the bottom, none on the top, so it's getting jerked through every time. So we come down to this final and very important point. Before you thread your machine, any model of machine, the presser foot must be up so that your tension disc will be open. So now after this little explanation, maybe you will understand how this can happen. With this explanation, if it happens again, now it is your fault. This is Ron Adams with the Fabric Shop in Ruston, Louisiana. Thank you for your time.